Hi friends, I'm going to share with you 5 viral recipes in today's video. I love trying TikTok viral recipes and seeing how they turn out. So today I'm going to share with you 5 that I really like that are actually on repeat at our house. And these recipes, they have gone viral for a reason because they're super easy and super delicious. So let's check out these 5 viral recipes and also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Let's get going. This viral rice bowl is so easy. I have rice, I have rotisserie chicken, I have mini cucumbers sliced up. I used 2 cucumbers, and now I'm adding on this peanut sauce. When I saw this video, it had millions and millions of views, and I could not wait to make it. I'm adding on some sesame seeds on top, and this is so easy, so yummy. I just can't get enough. This recipe is hands down one of the best. I have sugar-free cake mix chocolate. I have this 000 Oikos Greek yogurt, and I'm using a caramel flavor. So I'm just adding in this cup of yogurt, and then I have a Core Power Fairlife chocolate protein milk and 3 ingredients, and this makes the best cupcake muffins. I absolutely am obsessed with these. I make them in chocolate and in vanilla all the time now. My kids love them. It makes a nice big batch. It makes 2 dozen of these, so they last a while. You can add some chocolate chips in if you like, some chopped walnuts also, but super high in protein, really delicious, and these could not be easier. They turn out so good. So here it is, and the first time I made these, I was just so honestly impressed, and I can see why this recipe went viral because it is so easy, so high in protein, and seriously, these are so delicious. I'm going to be making the viral baked feta. So I have feta, and I'm going to add in some grape tomatoes. So I have 2 containers of the grape tomatoes. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. This makes such a great sauce, and it's just so fun to make. I'm going to drizzle with olive oil. I am going to add some garlic powder as well. I'm just going to sprinkle the top with the garlic powder. I have some dried basil that I'm going to sprinkle across the top as well. And I'm going to put this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm going to make some protein pasta. I love this protein pasta. This is a penne version. You can really use any kind of pasta you want. So this is cooked now, and I'm going to kind of mash these tomatoes up with my little meat masher. You can mash any which way you want, but this sauce has so much flavor. Look at it now. I've just kind of mashed it until it became nice and smooth, and oh my gosh, the taste is seriously so good, and it's so simple with just very few ingredients. So I'm going to add in my protein pasta noodles, and like I said, you can add in any kind of noodles that you want. Give this a mix. You can add in some protein to this also if you want. Some grilled chicken's great on this one, but a really easy dinner. I know exactly why this one went viral because it has so much flavor. It is just the best flavor. It's super easy. I'm going to sprinkle with a little bit of shredded Parmesan. I love shredded Parmesan. So this is so good. Add a little basil on top for garnishment. Give this a little taste, a little bit of the sauce and the noodles, and it's so good. It's addicting. This one will be on repeat because it's so simple, but the flavor it's a 10 of 10 on the flavor, and it is just so great. This is called the viral TikTok boat dip. It is very simple ingredients. I have a container of sour cream. I'm going to add in the whole container. I have some Rotel tomatoes. This is the Rotel tomatoes with diced green chilies. I'm just adding that whole can in there. I have a packet of taco seasoning. I'm just going to add in this whole packet of taco seasoning. And now I have some shredded cheddar cheese. I'm using a sharp cheddar cheese. You can use whichever kind you want. 1 cup. So 4 ingredients, and this is so addicting. I love bringing this to barbecue parties and to picnics and functions, and it is a huge, huge hit. Everybody just loves this one, and it could not be any easier, so I definitely know why it went viral for sure. So it is so good. I like to serve it with tortilla chips, or Fritos swoop chips are really good. So this is a crunch wrap. So when this went viral, I started making them all the time, and I love to make this version that I'm gonna make today. It's gonna be a taco crunch wrap, but there is a lot of different versions of these viral wraps that you can make. You can make a breakfast version, which is really fun with eggs and bacon and cheese, really, really good. But this one's great. I got some sour cream. I've got some avocado that I'm going to kind of mash into one of the little quadrants. So there's 4 little spaces here to fill up with your favorite ingredients. So I'll kind of mash this avocado down. I have some cooked taco meat, which we always have taco meat on hand. My kids love taco nights, so we do tacos quite often. But I'm just going to add in some pre-done taco meat, and you can add in any kind you want. I am adding some shredded cheddar cheese as well. So you can customize these quadrants, like I said, and you can just mix and match different things for your taste. So I'm going to fold this up. So I'm just going to close one over, and then I'm going to flip it over again, and then I'll flip it over one more time. So I'm going to cook this in the air fryer, which it is amazing in the air fryer. But you can bake this in the oven if you want. Either way, it works great, but I love doing this in the air fryer. So I'm going to use a liner in my air fryer just to keep it clean and simple. So I add in my little crunch wrap, and I'm going to cook this for about, you can do anywhere from like 4 to 5 minutes or so. And here it is. Oh my gosh, it's so, so good. When I saw tons of videos of these and they all had millions and millions of views, I thought I had to make these for sure. This is what it looks like in the center, and these are so good. I hope you enjoyed these 5 viral recipes. I love sharing my recipes with you when I make them for our family, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Put a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.